Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning, my students. Today, we are going to continue our lesson about degrees of comparison. And today, we are going to continue about comparative degree. Now, let's see the pattern here, the blah, 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 the better. So blah, blah, blah. Here you can fill with comparative form, yeah. Now let's see the example. Number one, what time shall we leave? Jam berapa kita akan berangkat? Now the answer, the sooner the better. Lebih cepat, lebih baik. As soon as possible, ya, secepat mungkin. Number two, what sort of box do you want? What sort of box do you want? Jenis kotak apa yang Anda inginkan? The answer is a big one, yang besar. Yes, the bigger, the better. Jadi lebih besar, lebih baik. So the Indonesian for the here is lebih, ya. Lebih, lebih. As big as possible, sebesar mungkin. Now we also use the blah 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 the with two comparatives to say that one thing depends on another thing. Ya, jadi kita juga menggunakan the blah blah blah, the blah 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 with two comparatives dengan dua komparatif, dua tingkat lebih, ya. To say that, untuk menyatakan bahwa one thing, satu hal, depends on another thing, tergantung pada hal yang lain. Now let's see the example. Number one, the warmer the weather, the better I feel. Jadi lebih hangat cuaca, lebih baik saya rasa. If the weather is warmer, same, ya, same. If we say, if the weather is warmer, I feel better. Jika cuaca lebih hangat, ya saya merasa lebih baik. Next example, number two, the sooner we leave, the sooner we will arrive. Jadi lebih cepat kita berangkat, lebih cepat kita akan tiba. The younger you are, the easier it is to learn. Jadi lebih mudah Anda, lebih mudah juga untuk belajar, ya. The more expensive the hotel, the better the service. Jadi lebih mahal hotel tersebut, ya lebih baik juga pelayanannya. The more electricity you use, the higher your bill will be. Jadi lebih banyak listrik yang Anda pakai, Anda gunakan, the higher, lebih tinggi your bill, tagihan Anda. The more I thought about the plan, the less I like. Lebih banyak saya memikirkan tentang rencana tersebut, the less I like it. Lebih sedikit saya menyukainya. Next. Now this is comparative degree, still comparative degree, the use of older and elder. The comparative of all is older. Tom looks older than he really is. Jadi bentuk lebih daripada all adalah older. Tom looks older, Tom kelihatan lebih tua than he really is, daripada yang dia sesungguhnya. You can use elder or older when you talk about people in a family. Jadi Anda bisa menggunakan elder atau older ketika Anda membicarakan tentang orang di dalam sebuah keluarga. You can say my elder brother, my elder sister, my son, my daughter. Yeah. Now next example, my elder, or you can say my older brother is a pilot. Ya, jadi saudara laki-laki tua, laki-laki saya yang lebih tua adalah seorang pilot. We say my elder brother, ya, my elder brother. Kita bisa mengatakan my elder brother atau kakak saya gitu, kakak saya, kakak laki-laki saya ya. But we do not say that somebody is elder. Tapi kita tidak mengatakan bahwa seseorang lebih tua, ya, because that is not in our family. My brother is older than me. Yeah, my brother is older than me. Jadi saudara laki-laki saya lebih tua daripada saya. Not elder than me. Bukan, tidak pakai elder than me. Okay. Next, we are going to see the use of SS and then. So it can show here that we are going to change from positive degree to comparative degree. Ya, jadi bagaimana kita mengubah dari tingkat sama ke tingkat lebih. Now next, some more examples of not as bla 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 as. Ini ada beberapa contoh tentang penggunaan not ya. As. Now let's see. This is negative. Tom isn't atau is not as old as he looks. Jadi Tom itu tidak ya setua yang dia seperti dia kelihatan. Jadi he looks older than he is. Jadi dia kelihatan lebih tua dari yang dari dia sesungguhnya gitu ya. Now, this city center wasn't as crowded this morning as it usually is. Jadi pusat kota ini tidak seramai tadi pagi as it usually is, seperti biasanya. Jadi it is usually more crowded. Ya, jadi biasanya lebih ramai. Jenny didn't do as well in the exam as she had hoped. Jadi Jenny tidak melakukan sebaik ya dalam ujian seperti yang dia sudah harapkan. So she had hoped to do better. Jadi dia sudah mengharapkan melakukan yang lebih baik. Ternyata tidak. Now, next, you can also say not so. Anda juga bisa menggunakan not so. Ya. Jadi just now is not as, and now we can change into not so. Blah, 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 as. For example, it is not warm, but it isn't so cold as yesterday. Ya, jadi tidak hangat ya. Jadi tidak hangat, but tetapi it is not atau it isn't so cold. Tidak sedingin kemarin. So yesterday was colder ya, colder than today. Oh, it is same atau sama dengan it isn't as cold as ya. Jadi tidak sedingin. Jadi it isn't atau it is not as cold as ya. So you can use so or you can also use as ya, up to you. Now next, let's see the comparative. Less blah 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 than is similar to not as blah 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 as ya. Jadi less than ya, lebih sedikit ya atau lebih kurang. Nah, lebih kurang. Now next example, I spend less money than you. Saya menghabiskan lebih sedikit uang daripada kamu. Jadi less means lebih sedikit ya. I spend less money than you. Ya. I didn't spend as much as I didn't spend as much money as you. So same like this. Jadi saya tidak menghabiskan sebanyak uang seperti kamu atau Anda. Now next, the use of then, yeah, use then me or then I am. So here, let's see when we use about object me and when we use about subject I. Now let's see the example. We usually say, kita selalu mengatakan, you are taller than me. Anda lebih tinggi daripada saya. Than me. You can also say, yeah, then I am. Yeah. So you say like this, you are taller than I am. So up to you which one you choose. You can use about me or you can use about I. But if you use I, you must use to be. Yeah. So it's match. Yeah. Jadi kalau subjek ya kita pakai pasangan to be-nya ya. If I, so you say I am. If he, you say he is. Yeah. For example, I say he is taller. Yeah, he is taller than he is taller than me. For example, he is taller than me. Or you can also say uh, if you say me, you say I am. If you say him, you say he, he is. Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, after then, yeah, as it is more usual to say me, him, her, them, us. Yeah. Right. So you say me, you say I am. If you say him, you say he is. If you say her, you say she is. If you say them, you say they. Yeah, they are us. So you say we are. Ya, when there is no verb. Ketika tidak ada kata kerja. Oke. Okay? Ya, right. There is no verb. Say object. If there is verb, say subject. Yeah. Now next, study these examples. Now we are going to step to number 3. Yeah. Number 3, superlative degree. So we have studied about number 1, positive degree, number 2, comparative degree, and number 3 now, superlative degree. Now study the examples. What is the longest river in the world? In the world. What is the longest river in the world? Jadi sungai, kira-kira apa sungai terpanjang di dunia? Ya, oke. Okay. Nah, what was the most enjoyable holiday? Ya, kira-kira apa liburan apa yang paling menyenangkan? You ever had? Anda pernah miliki? Now let's see the pattern or formula. The superlative form is as or most, blah blah blah. Yeah. In general, we use as for short words. Jadi secara umum kita menggunakan as untuk kata-kata yang singkat, and most bla 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 for longer words untuk kata-kata yang lebih panjang. Now let's see. Now this is long. We say longest. This is one syllable. Yeah. So you say longest, hot, longest ya, long panjang, longest lebih paling panjang ya. Hot panas, hottest paling panas. Easy mudah, easiest paling mudah. Hard keras atau susah, paling keras paling susah. But here we use est ya or s ya. Now, but most famous we use most ya here not as most famous sangat ini paling termasyhur ya atau terkenal ya. Most boring ya paling membosankan. Most difficult paling susah. Most expensive paling mahal. So here we use about most because these words are using suffix. Jadi ini kita pakai di sini karena kata-kata ini tadi famous, boring, difficult, and expensive itu menggunakan akhiran ya suffix. Now next irregular adjectives. Ini ada kata sifat yang tidak teratur. Let's see the form of superlative. Good becomes best. Jadi good menjadi best. Good, baik, best, paling baik. Bad, buruk. Becomes worse. Menjadi paling buruk. Far, jauh. Becomes farthest. Furthest or farthest. Okay. Into lebih paling jauh ya. Jadi far, jauh. Furthest. Ya, paling jauh. Now, we normally use the before a superlative. Jadi, kita umumnya menggunakan kata de ya sebelum superlatif atau bentuk paling. For example, the longest. Ini there is the. Ini ada the-nya. The most famous. Ya, the most famous, etc. Okay. Now, example, you look at yesterday was the hottest day of the year. Jadi kemarin adalah hari yang paling panas. Ya, hari yang paling panas of the year, sepanjang tahun ya. Now, this hotel is the cheapest in town. Ya, jadi hotel ini paling murah di kota. Ya, kota ini mungkin ya. Now, next. Example, all, oldest, and eldest. The church is the oldest building in town. Yeah. Yeah, the church is the oldest building in the town. Jadi gereja itu adalah bangunan yang paling tua ya di kota itu, not the eldest. Yeah. So you say don't use eldest. We use eldest or oldest when we are talking about people in family. For example, my eldest son is 13 years old. My oldest, jadi tertua. Jadi oldest tertua. Jadi anak laki-laki saya yang tertua usia 13 tahun. Ya, my oldest son. Are you the eldest in your family? Apakah kamu yang tertua, paling tua dari keluarga Anda? Are you the oldest? You can say eldest, you can say oldest. Now next, superlative, still superlative degree. After superlative, we use in with places, town, building, etc. Jadi setelah superlatif untuk paling tadi, ya kita menggunakan in, ya, with places dengan tempat, ya seperti like town, seperti town, kota, building, etc. For example, we have a lovely room. Kita memiliki kamar yang indah, sebuah kamar yang indah. It was one of the nicest in the hotel. Jadi itu adalah yang kamar yang tercantik, terindah ya, in the hotel ya, di hotel tersebut. Okay, not of the hotel means we use in, not of. Now we also use in for organizations. Jadi kita juga menggunakan in untuk organisasi and groups atau kelompok ya, or people, kelompok orang ya. For example, a class, ya, satu kelas, team, satu a company, sebuah perusahaan, etc. Who is the best student in the class? Siapa siswa yang terbaik dalam kelas itu? Not of the class, ya. No, we normally use of for a period of time. But if we use a period of time, we use of, ya. Nah, biasanya menggunakan of untuk jangka waktu. What was the happiest day of your life? Ya, jadi kira-kira hari apa yang terbahagia kira-kira? Ya, hari apa yang terbahagia, yang paling membahagiakan apa? Of your life dari hidupmu, dari kehidupmu, ya. Yesterday is the hottest day of the year. Jadi kemarin adalah hari yang paling panas panjang tahun. Nah, we use about of. Now next, we often use present perfect. Kita sering menggunakan present perfect. I have done. Saya sudah melakukan. After super perfect. Setelah paling, ya. Now, what's the best film you've ever seen? Ya, kira-kira film apa yang paling baik yang ada? Film apa yang paling baik yang Anda sudah lihat atau nonton? That was the most delicious meal. Itu makanan yang paling enak I ever had, yang saya sudah makan for a long time, dalam waktu yang lama. Ya, sometimes we use most adjective, ya, plus adjective to mean very. Kadang-kadang kita menggunakan most ditambah kata sifat, ya, to mean dengan berarti very, sangat. For example, the book you lend me was most interesting. Buku yang Anda pinjamkan saya sangat menarik. Yeah, most interesting, same with very interesting. So you can say to the book you lend me was very interesting. Then thank you for the money. Terima kasih uangnya, ya. It was most generous of you. Jadi kamu yang paling pemurah, ya, dermawan. Okay, my students, so I think this is the end of our lesson about degrees of comparison. We have explained about positive degree, tingkat yang sama, tingkat positif, comparative degree, tingkat lebih, superlative degree, tingkat paling. Now, I hope you can understand easily. And if you feel that this lesson benefits for you, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And especially for those who have subscribed, I pray may God always bless you. Dan bagi yang sudah subscribe, ya, saya berdoa, ya, semoga kalian cepat paham materi ini, dan semoga Allah selalu memberkahi kalian. Ya, okay, my students. Ya, see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.